What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Dazzaoutdoors, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I hiked into the Den of Nargun, which is located 40 k's north of Bairnsdale, Victoria. I got to see some amazing views, passing the story about the Den of Nargun, as well as doing some cooking later on. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Den of Nargun. It's a long way down, so I'm going to walk away from this edge and keep going. It's a fair track down, so I think I'm going to have fun climbing back up because I've got a pretty big backpack on, so good workout. I love all the little overgrown trees hanging off the rocks. Look like a big tree's fallen over and blocking the path, but we got over it. So I think the Den of Nargun's about 5 minutes walk this way, heading up the side of this hill and up and over. But it's a beautiful spot. So there's a little cave system right behind me that stretches all around the back of the waterfall. But yeah, this is the Den of Nargun. The reason why it's called Den of Nargun is from the Aboriginal or Indigenous story times. Many years ago, it was said that there was a fierce creature called the Nargun, which was half human, half stone. The legend also states that the Nargun would take travellers and children and stuff and drag them underwater into the cave. It was also said that the spears that they would throw and the boomerangs would bounce back off the Nargun and actually kill the thrower. So yeah, it's a very spiritual place. It's a very sacred place to the Indigenous people. I won't go into the cave itself. I don't want to step foot in there. As I said, it's a sacred site. So, but being out here and enjoying it and looking at it, it's unreal. I'm going to try and get some footage sort of close to the cave using my drone just so you guys can get a close up, but I definitely recommend coming here, checking out the history, checking out the lore and the legend behind it, and seeing it for yourself. It's a good walk, especially uphill, so be wary of that. It's very rocky and it's steep going back up. Look at these vines, twirling all the way up to the treetop. Like, they're incredibly durable. If you're planning on coming to the Den of Nargun or doing the Mitchell track, just make sure you be careful with the rocks because they are very slippery. And where we're at, there's no self-service, and it's not very often that people come by, so just be careful of that. Sort of feels like I'm just walking in the bush now, like the two different environments. It just feels like I'm going hunting or camping or something now, so yeah. It's so crazy how there's like a forest inside of a gully and then all around it is just normal natural Australian bush. Unfortunately, the spot I was thinking of cooking dinner at's taken, so it's alright, we'll head back to the car and we'll figure somewhere else to go. Looks like there's a few kangaroo. There's a few kangaroo footprints there. Surprisingly, I haven't seen a deer track yet. Apologies for the lack of content I've uploaded in a while. It's been a busy 2026. I've been working pretty flat out and had my baby boy about 3 or 4 months ago, so it's been all hands on deck. But I had this afternoon free, so I thought, why not get back out there, make a video, and I haven't been here for 10 years, so it was definitely worth the trip. Ugh. But I am getting hungry and it is getting dark pretty quick. I'd say it's around 4:30. I will check my phone and it is 4:25. Pretty close. Wait, what is this? This is another spot. I have not seen this before. I didn't even know this was here. Whoa. Look at this place. I did not know this part existed. Am I meant to Tarzan swing across onto that rock or something? Nice little swimming pool. Little natural shower there. Yeah, I could live here. Looks like someone's made rock paintings. But I don't think they're very old. I did notice these prints up here. I don't know if I believe the authenticity, whatever it's called. Authenticity. 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 Comment the word below. Authorization. Nah, just comment below what I'm trying to say. A little cicada shell. Man, I remember collecting these as a kid. Let's put it back on there. You can find them in like North Queensland, like the Gulf of Carpentaria. But yeah, the seed pods are quite distinctive. That's what they are, Currajong. So we've made it to sort of a tee off. We can keep going straight to the Den of Nargun, or the car park's probably about 20 minutes up this other track. So I reckon I'll head up this other track, and then we're going to figure out where we're going to start a fire and cook some dinner. But yeah, unreal spot. It's been awesome. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far, and stick around because we're going to do some cooking. I'm going to eat because your boy's hungry. There's like an army of tiny little mushrooms. They're just like a massive pile of mushrooms down there. We're back at the entrance to the Den of Nargun, up at the car park. So I found new places since coming here that I didn't even know they were here. So maybe you guys have been here before, you checked out the Den of Nargun, but you weren't actually aware that there was those other places as well. So, you know, the stories that come from this place, it's, you know, very fascinating about the Den of Nargun and the Nargun creature itself, half human, half stone. You know, I've heard also that it was a story told to kids, so they stayed close to the camp and they didn't wander off at night, and so sort of, I guess, kept the children safe. You know, they didn't wander off because they were scared of, you know, the Nargun taking them and drowning them. So, but yeah, there's a lot of stories like that that I find intriguing. I wish I knew more, but you know, I'm running on limited knowledge. So yeah, I reckon we're going to try and find a spot. Hopefully there is a barbecue over here, but I wanted to make a campfire, so I'm hoping that there's like a fire pit somewhere here, because of the location, you can't just make a fire anywhere. It's got to be in a fire pit. So hopefully I can find a fire pit. I just got to do a bit of a wander around. Got some baked beans ready to go. Chuck it on the fire. We've got these sausages. There you have it. Dinner of champions. Time to start packing up, clean up the dishes, whatever else, and I think we'll head home. It's been a good trip. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, make sure you check out the YouTube channel page where you can find plenty more videos just like this. And again, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep on keeping on. Shoo!